In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize Webflow templates. Let's get started. Sign in to your Webflow account, click New Site, and choose a template that fits your website. You can select a free or paid template to use as your starting point. Open the template in the designer and replace the demo content with your own text, images, logo, and branding. You can also update the colors, fonts, buttons, and other design elements to match your style. Remove any sections you don't need, add new content, and rearrange the layout until your website looks the way you want. Be sure to update your navigation links and buttons as well. Preview your website on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Publish to make your website live. That's how to customize Webflow templates. Thanks for watching.